Today, we're showing you how to create your Walgreens account online in just a few easy steps. Plus, if you want to get your Walgreens order delivered in under an hour, use DoorDash and enjoy free delivery on your first order. You'll find our exclusive link waiting for you in the description below. To start, go to the website walgreens.com and click on the account option in the upper right corner of the screen. A side tab will then appear. On the side tab, you will see an option that says Create an Account. Click on Create an Account. Then, on the fields provided, enter all the necessary information such as your first and last name, email address and the password you wish to use. Once the information is entered, scroll down a little. Here you will see a reward system for Walgreens. If you wish to register to it, click on the checkbox beside the text that says Create or link your My Walgreens account. Next, on the fields provided, enter your phone number and zip code of your area. Then click on the checkbox beside the text that says I am 16 or over and I accept My Walgreens terms and conditions. You could skip this step if you wish not to register to the reward system and proceed to click on the checkbox beside I agree to the Walgreens terms of use. Then click on Continue. That's how you create a Walgreens account online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.